In the name of God, most gracious, most merciful, I am hopefully that you are doing well and you are fantastic by the grace of Allah Almighty. Welcome on this my channel. My thought, like and subscribe my channel and share our thought through the comments. So again, welcome on this my channel. So I will teach about the how can you improve your English language. So today topic about the how can you improve your speaking skill. So it is very interesting topic, like that every person's want to become a good speaker. So that is the reason I try to teach you. So I am sure that after complete this video you will be able to speak. So I will share my thoughts. So it will be very interesting, because I will tell you about the 5 tips. It is very interesting. How can you improve your speaking skills? So first tip is reading. How can you improve your speaking skills? So it is very interesting for your speaking, like that if you will read, so easily you can improve, because when you will try to read, so you will learn a vocabulary, you will learn a sentence structure, as well as you will learn about the grammar, or where can we use correct grammar. So that is the reason you should read more than, not a more than like that. If you want, if you will read more than 10 pages to 20 pages at the at the evening time, at the morning time, so you will not focus on the about the sentence structure, vocabulary, grammar, so you will not focus. So I want to give you one suggestion that you should read one to three pages, 3 to 5 pages, more than you can read 3 to 5 pages. It will be very interesting, like that you will not feel boring due to during the reading. And other is, you will learn about the vocabulary, and anything you will feel in the difficulty you can search on the Google, as well as you can learn a lot of knowledge, as well as you can learn about the sentence structure, grammar. So it will be very interesting if you will read, so with the focus point, you will learn. So it will be. So second tip is writing. It is very interesting that, before I have uploaded video on the on my channel about the reading, about the writing, about the listening skills, how can you improve. So first, if you are feeling any difficulty about the writing, about the reading, listening, so first you should watch that video. So after that you can watch this. So this video about the speaking skill, how can you improve. So there I will tell about I will inform you about the writing, how can you improve or writing skills. Before I said that, you should write on the notebook daily basis, in the evening time, in the morning time, all day. If you feel free at the day, at the night time, so you should write. So it will be very helpful for you, because you will if you are writing any article, so you should write new vocabulary word, you will write a sentence structure. So it will be very helpful for you, and it will enhance your vocabularies, and as well as it will enhance your sentence structure and grammars, modal verb, auxiliary verb, everything you will be able to learn. So it will be very interesting. So you should focus on the writing skill if you want to improve. Third step is prepare for yourself. Like that, if you have to go to any institute, if you have to go to any ceremony, so you should prepare for that, like that, we try to prepare, but you try to prepare for English speaking, like that, you should create a mission that there I will speak English. So then you will try to learn about new vocabulary, new sentence structure, with relative, which kind of word, which kind of vocabulary I will use, so which kind of sentence structure I will use. So that is, then you will search about this, you will be able to speak, like that in the ceremony you will speak more than with the relative. So it is very interesting. any opportunity come into your life, so be ready for that. You should practice, you should be prepare about that things like that. Any institute for learning something, any ceremony for learning for speaking. So it is, I think, I have my own opinion that then I try to go to any ceremony. There I speak with friend in English, so there I will learn a lot of things about vocabulary and sentence structure. So it is my own opinion that you should be prepared for anything if you have faced any difficulty. Fourth step is imitate. We should imitate of the good speaker and fluent speaker. So because when we imitate of the good speaker, fluent speaker, so we will learn pronunciation, about the vocabulary, about the sentence structure, everything we will learn. As you know that we will try to imitate of the abroad country, about abroad country culture. So we try to imitate of the speaking skill. So it is very interesting. So if you will like that, if you will try to imitate of the good speaker, good personality, so then you will you will learn a lot of things. Last step is a very common, it is very interesting, and it is very more important. So for this, ready for this, so you should focus on this. And when I will describe this, after that you will be able to that. It is very interesting. Fifth step in name is practice. You should practice every day, like that. Without practice you cannot improve. And before that I said that I say you, without practice you cannot improve any if you want to improve English language. So you should write or read, listening, and as well as you should write. You should practice more than, like that. If you will write more than, so you will not speak. You will be not able to speak. As well as you should work on the combine together. You will try to focus on this point. So like that you will practice more than. It is my own ambitious that I try to practice just 10 to 50 minutes at the morning time, 10 to 50 minutes at the evening time alone. Sometimes I stand in front of the mirror. Sometimes I make call with friend in English. So just 10 to 50 minutes I practice daily basis. Without this more, I don't practice more than. And a little bit I read. And it is very interesting. If you will just waste time on the social media, you do not get any information on the social media. You should not waste time there. You should practice every day with friends, in front of the mirror, like that. If you have social media period, you have mobile phone, you should make a call with friends. So with the friends you can improve your English speaking skills. So it is very interesting. So thank you for watching this, and be ready for the next video.